Okay, I have sewn across the bottom of the jacket and I've clipped it, and its instruction says to turn it in the inside, forming a 1 1/4 inch hem. Hello guys, Alicia here. We're winding up on cracking this WIP Vogue 8146. This is how the jacket is looking on me without the buttons. I want it to be a bit oversized, so the next time I make it, I'll definitely make it larger. The sleeves are a 3/4 inch sleeves, and as you can see, they're just about fitting me. So what I'm gonna do is just serge it and do a little tuck, and I put the hem in and gotta sew it in. I got them pent up at the moment, as you can see. And I'll do a little pressing and serging. Here's how it's looking in the back. So, and I'll be back. This is the back of the jacket. So now we've serged the hem and the sleeves. I'm just gonna place these clips back on here so I can keep my hem kind of in line where I need to. Because it's a round tail hem, I wanted to stay straight and fall in place like it should. And I'm gonna stitch it up on the sewing machine. I want to make sure that the hem stays where it should be. I could always remeasure it, and it's a 1 1/4 inch hem. Yeah, here are the sleeves. I'm just gonna put the narrowest little tuck in it as possible that I can get away with for the sleeve. Because remember, they were supposed to be a 3/4 inch sleeve, so this is just gonna be a fold. And I'm gonna stitch it up on the sewing machine. Just enough to get a stitch there. Very narrow. like that. Okay, so I'm back. We're at the end. I'm getting the strings off. So here's the hem. And let me flip the sleeves so you can see them. Here is the sleeve. Everything needs to be pressed. This is the inside. And the outside of the sleeve. So now you know it's time for our advent calendar. This is my favorite time, the advent calendar. Let's see what's in store for us tonight. Vlogmas Day number 10. Oh, look at that. Isn't that sweet? It's a wreath. Nice. Let's hang it on that tree. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope everyone is having a blessed season. And please consider becoming one of the family members. I would love to have you. I appreciate all of the support. And if you have not watched 1 through 9, please go back and do so. I appreciate you all. Now let's hang this on our tree. Our tree is getting really, really full. Oh, let's see. There it is. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on day 11th. Happy Vlogmas.